How would you like to make $1 every 15 seconds worldwide, paid right to your PayPal account with an app doing a very simple task? Well, I'm going to share with you in today's video exactly how you can do that. So stay with me. Let's get the party started. What's up, guys? Zeb here, and today we're going to be talking about how you can make $1 every 15 seconds with this simple app. Alright, but before we get started, let me introduce myself. My name is Zeb Summers. I'm an online entrepreneur. I talk about making money online, affiliate, internet, digital marketing, and I'm here to help you through your journey to a laptop lifestyle. Now, guys, if you haven't checked out the YouTube channel, come to my YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button, and check out all the videos I have. I have tons of videos here to help you guys do what I do. All right. So today's video is all about making $1 every 15 seconds worldwide straight to your PayPal account. Now, guys, if you are interested in a more passive income, one that can pay you a full-time income online, one that can pay you while you're on vacation, while you're at your other job or whatever, this is what I do. This is what makes me the most money. Click on the link down below. My #1 recommendation. Click that link and I'll send you over some more information. All right, let's get on with today's video about how to make that $1 every 15 seconds. So we're going to be talking today about an app called Vox Pop Me. Okay, so what is Vox Pop Me? Vox Pop Me is an app that you download on your phone. Okay, get it right from Apple. You get it right from Google Play. All right, so you get this app, and what it is an app that you do video. Basically, you answer a question on video for about 15 seconds. You can get paid up to $1. The most payouts are between 50 cents and $1, but you can do this every 15 seconds. You just scroll through, you pick a question, you answer it, you submit it, and once it gets verified, you get your dollar, and you do a couple of them, and you'll get them right to your PayPal account. Now, this can be done worldwide from any country, so check it out. Way it works and what it is you download the app, you go to your app store, all right? You can make money with Vox Pop Me. You can make loads of money and spend it however you like, all right? You save time, you tell brands your story in less than a minute, and you get heard. They care about what you say, and what it is they share your videos with their customers, all right? So it's testimonials, or they care about what you say, okay? So here's a quick thing. It's an exciting app. It's available in US, UK, and Australia, okay? So I did say worldwide, but I guess these 3 countries are where it's at. Now, guys, you do get paid via PayPal, which we all love, all right? So it does pay you via PayPal. It's a simple app to use. Just follow the live stream and paid questions, surveys, waiting to be answered. Then select a question, record your video opinion, and receive a cash reward. All right. It's easy to sign in. You can sign up with your email or Facebook account in a matter of seconds, making it quick and easy. Build your profile and start answering paying questions. All right. Push alerts. You can get notified when there's a new question. One touch record. You simply pick up your phone, you hit the record button and start talking. 15 seconds later, you submit. Bang, you get paid. PayPal account, cash out your earnings straight into your bank account quickly, securely through PayPal. All right. You can even invite your friends and get paid £1 for each friend who signs up under your Vox Pop Me referral. Okay, so that's another avenue you can use to get paid by using this app. All right, let's look over here on Apple. Okay, looks like the App Store's got 977 ratings, 4.6 stars, which is very good. You can come in here, you can check it out, you can see what people are talking about. I personally like this app for questions and payouts. So questions are interesting, surprising, and par and relevant topics in the world today. Okay, the payouts are very generous for how much time you really have to put into your video, which is 15 seconds at least, 30 seconds at the most. Okay, so you cash out is $15. So once you get to $15, you can cash out. All right, and the payout is usually 50 pounds. So I can wait, but it would be awesome if I received more of a shorter period of time. So I guess 2 to 3 days. That's pretty good money for 2 to 3 days, but I guess it depends on how many questions you get and how many questions you answer. So just run over here. You can go to this app.voxpopme.com. You can go to your App Store or Google Play, download the app, start answering questions, sign up with your Facebook account or your email, start answering questions and getting paid, guys. All right. So this isn't gonna get you rich, but hey, you got a couple extra hours in the evening or in the morning where you want to just pop on here, or just when you're bored, make a couple extra bucks straight to your PayPal. Hey, it's there. It's free to use, and you're going to get paid to use it. 15 seconds, guys. All right. So again, run over there, use it, and enjoy it. Okay. So Vox Pop Me is an app, but guys, remember, if you are looking for a passive income, one that can pay you full-time income online while you sleep, while you eat, while you are on vacation, whenever, click my link down below. My #1 recommendation to make a full-time income online. Click that link and I'll send you over some information. Have a good day. Peace out. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you on the next video.